I just received these 6 foldable storage cubes from Greenco. And look how awesome these are. They also come in a variety of different colors. This is in gray, and they're so easy to put together. Perfect to put in your linen closet, your own closet, even in your family room too. This is perfect for clothes as well as small toys, magazines, your paperwork, and so much more. And they're also so easy to put together. So let me show you how easy it is. So this is the bottom of it, and this is what it looks like. So all you do is, it is collapsible, so you open it up just like that, and then you put in this bottom. Now the bottom has this lip here, so you can easily pull it out after use. So this is what it looks like, and ta-da, that's how easy it is to put together. And it looks so stylish too. Let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of what it looks like on the outside. Very easy to put together and also very stylish. It's also very easy to take apart. So all you do is lift this part out, and then it just collapses into itself. So look how much it virtually takes up no room when not in use. And to put it together, you just open it up and you put this in, and this is the tab that makes it easy to pull out afterwards. You're going to be receiving a 6-pack of these, and they measure approximately 11 inches by 10.5 inches by 10.5 inches. And they just work perfectly. I absolutely love them, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.